Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find email list on Shopify. First, go and log in to your Shopify account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to your customers section. Here, you will see a list of your customers along with their email or other information. Now, if you want for a more specific list, you can add a filter by clicking on this text box. Then in here, for example, you're gonna find customers without a tag. So go and click on this customer tags. Then choose null. In here, this means that you are looking for customers without a tag. Now, go ahead and click on save on the top ribbon and go and add a name for it. Now here, you can click on more actions at the top right and choose to export your customers. Here, Shopify will generate a file of your customers along with their emails, which contains now your email list. And that's just basically it. That's how you find email list on Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.